The Court of Appeal determined today that pictorial warnings will be displayed on between 50 to 60% of the surface of a packet of cigarettes, with 40% of the surface area to be allocated for the manufacturer's details. The Court of Appeal issued this determination today after considering a writ petition filed by Ceylon Tobacco Company plc against a decision taken by the Minister of Health to print pictorial warnings on cigarette packets.
The petition was considered and a determination reached by a two-judge bench of the Court of Appeal comprising of Justices Anil Gunaratne and Malini Gunaratne. President's Counsel Faiz Mustafa, President's Counsel Ali Sabrin and Attorney-at-Law Nehran Karim appeared for Ceylon Tobacco Company plc, while Deputy Solicitor General Janaka De Silva appeared for the Minister of Health. In their petition, Ceylon Tobacco Company plc noted that a pictorial warning covering 35% of the surface of a packet of cigarettes would suffice. Ceylon Tobacco Company plc sought a determination from the court in this regard. However, Deputy Solicitor General Janaka De Silva, appearing for the Minister of Health, argued against this proposal and said that a pictorial warning covering about 75% of the surface of a packet of cigarettes was necessary. Considering the submissions made, the bench determined that while 50 to 60% of the surface area of a packet of cigarettes should carry a pictorial warning, 40% should be allocated for the manufacturer's details. The Gazette notice on the orders pertaining to the printing of pictorial warnings on cigarette packets was presented to Parliament on the 24th of January. Presenting the order to Parliament, Leader of the House Minister Nimal Siripala De Silva said that the pictorial warning should cover no less than 80% of the surface area of a packet of cigarettes and that it should be printed on both sides. Ceylon Tobacco Company plc subsequently initiated legal action against this decision.
I
believe it will be enough because our basic message was to inform the people of the dangers of smoking, and I believe the space granted will be enough. I think we will have to take further action on this because the Minister, the Government and Parliament approved pictorial warnings on 80% of a cigarette packet. The court has determined 50 to 60% instead of 80%. We have several legal issues to discuss here, and following discussions we will commence our next course of action.